Okay, if you want to share a document so anyone who's looking at it can view it, you have to go to the share icon, top right. In this case, it's orange because I'm in Google Slides. You click on it. It's going to be a little different than the past because Google changed their sharing options this fall. Once it loads, we'll see options we have. So right now it's shared just with me. If I want to get the link, which is what we want to do, I can change the link to Medford Public Schools. I want to click on that. Now if I hit copy link, anyone at our school will be able to view this document. I could change that to commenter editor, but I'm going to keep it just viewer for this sake. I could change it to anyone, anywhere on the web, but for these purposes, we'll leave it at Medford Public School and just click on copy link. Once I hit copy, I'll hit done, and that's what I can paste into the Google form that you need for class.